Yeah. Every angle. The cash coming. Smell it.
Flood watch statement. Flood watch now in effect from Tuesday afternoon through Wednesday morning. What? Flooding caused by excessive rainfall continues to be possible. Where? Portions of northern Delaware, including the following area: Newcastle, New Jersey, including the following areas: Camden, Coastal Ocean, Eastern Monmouth, Gloucester, Hunterdon, Mercer, Middlesex, Northwestern Burlington, Ocean, Salem, Somerset, Southeastern Burlington and Western Monmouth, and Southeast Pennsylvania, including the following areas: Delaware, Eastern Chester, Eastern Montgomery, Lower Bucks, Philadelphia, Upper Bucks, Western Chester, and Western Montgomery. When? From Tuesday afternoon through Wednesday morning. Impact. Excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks,
I've got a flood watch,
and other
bro.
low-lying and flood-prone locations. Flooding may occur in poor
Oh, good for you.
urban areas.
He's dying in one.
Additional details: a cold front will approach from the north and west on Tuesday and will cross the region Tuesday night. This front will interact with tropical moisture associated with Hurricane Debbie to result in heavy downpours over the area. Rainfall totals will average 1 to 2.5 inches, but locally higher amounts are possible. https www.weather.gov/safety/. Flood. You should monitor later forecasts and be alert for possible flood warnings. Those living in areas prone to flooding should be prepared to take action should flooding develop.
Okay.
Following is a severe thunderstorm watch announcement from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 606, effective until 11 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in New Jersey: Burlington and Ocean, and coastal waters from Manasquan Inlet to Little Lake Inlet, New Jersey, out 20 nautical miles. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 606 has been issued until 11 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Burlington and Ocean, and coastal waters from Manasquan Inlet to Little Lake Inlet, New Jersey, out 20 nautical miles.
What's on a second watch? Yes.
Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for coastal and outer waters from Sandy Hook to Little Lake Inlet, New Jersey, until 3 p.m. At 2:04 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located near La Valette, moving east at 20 knots. Hazard: wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source: radar. Impact: small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Shark River Reef, Axel Carlson Reef, Seaside Park, La Valette, and Point Pleasant Beach.
Okay. I was just gonna say it's not going, and then it went.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Ocean County in southern New Jersey until 3 p.m.
Flooding for like 18
At
minutes.
2:41 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over
An
Dover Beach
18-minute
North,
warning.
7 miles east of Tom's River, moving east at 15 miles per hour.
It's about right on the coast.
Radar indicated impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Tom's River, Point Pleasant Beach, Seaside Heights, Maniloki, Brick Township, Dover Beaches South, Dover Beaches
Oh, I
North,
forgot.
Point Pleasant, Island Place, Bay Head, and Guilford
How do I
Park.
get there? Listen.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe
But you get a
thunderstorm
message.
warning has been issued until 3 p.m. for the following counties: Ocean, New Jersey.
Sounds clear to me. Never mind.
Rain 70%. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Sandy Hook to Little Lake Inlet, New Jersey, out 20 nautical miles. Outer waters from Sandy Hook to Manasquan Inlet, New Jersey, out 20 to 40 nautical miles until 4 p.m. At 2:55 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Lavalette, moving east at 15 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots and large hail. Source, radar. Intact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves.
How about you? Do you like it?
Hail could result in structural
What you
damage.
think? Oh, never mind.
Include Shark River Reef, Point Pleasant Beach, Seaside Park, Manasquan Inlet, Axel Carlson Reef, Silverton, and Lavalette. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below a deck if possible and keep away from ungrounded metal objects.
So what do you think? Listen up. Okay. So what were your thoughts on that? Okay. Ignore that.
Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Burlington County in southern New Jersey until 4 p.m. At 3:21 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Mount Holly, or 14 miles south of Trenton, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Intact, damaged roof, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Willingboro, Lumberton, Burlington, Mount Holly, Presidential Lakes Estates, Pemberton, Town, Presidential Lakes, Browns Mills, Johnstone, Columbus, Old Halfway, Jacksonville, Georgetown, Florence Roebling, Country Lake Estates. National Weather Service offers Pemberton Heights, Fort Dix, and McGuire Air Force Base. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 5.
That said National Weather Service office, bro. They're glazing themselves.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. for the following counties: Burlington, New Jersey.
Oh, it's SGR.
Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Ocean County in southern New Jersey until 5:45 p.m. At 4:54 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Leisure Village East, or near Toms River, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Intact, damaged roof, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Toms River, Lakewood, Beechwood, Manasquan, Point Pleasant Beach, Seaside Heights, Lakehurst, Leisure Village, Dover Beaches North, Holiday City South, Pleasant Plains, Cedars Land West, Leisure Village East, Dover Beaches.
When's this probably gonna see some action? Probably Thursday.
Brick Township, Cedars Land West.
Now I think about it, Thursday.
Crestwood. This includes
Whenever that Dorchester FLA happens.
93.
Or it could be overnight, so. Hoping it's not, but we'll see.
A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties: Ocean, New Jersey.
All right. Okay. I got that just in time. It's been very crappy signal lately, so.
National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning for west central Burlington County in southern New Jersey, northwestern Camden County in southern New Jersey, north central Gloucester County in southern New Jersey until 10:45 p.m. 6:39 p.m. Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly.
I got back in here from eating,
Flash flooding caused
and
by
then
thunderstorms.
I just turned and listened. It's a
Source,
tone.
Radar. Impact, flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Philadelphia, Camden, Gloucester City, Cherry Hill, Evesham, Mount Laurel, Deptford, Voorhees, Lindenwold, Belmore,
using this that
Woodbury,
much.
and
I don't know
Magnolia.
if that's the buttons.
This includes the following highways: Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 22 and 41. New Jersey Turnpike between exits 3 and 4. Interstate 676 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 1. Interstate 76 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 3. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. It's 6 p.m.
Oh, you don't say.
Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Burlington County in southern New Jersey until 11:15 p.m. At 7:04 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Willingboro, Florence, Burlington, Mount Holly, Bordentown, Beverly, Jacksonville, Columbus, Johnstone, Florence Roebling, Georgetown, and Edgewater Park. This includes the following highways: Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 43 and 57. New Jersey Turnpike between exits 5 and 7A. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.
Oh, right.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning
Yes,
for.
sir. All right.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Mercer County in central New Jersey, central Monmouth County in central New Jersey, Middlesex County in northern New Jersey, northeastern Burlington County in southern New Jersey, northwestern Ocean County in southern New Jersey, until 11:30 p.m. At 7:24 p.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.5 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen.
Oh, I can't even see.
The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas,
I got that.
and
That didn't
underpasses,
come
as
to
well as other
static.
drainage and low-lying areas.
Yeah, that's pretty much it.
Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Trenton, New Brunswick, Perth Amboy,
there's a thing on the way.
Old Bridge, East Brunswick,
Not that.
South
There's a
Brunswick,
thing on the way.
Sayreville, North Brunswick, Marlborough, Manalapan, and Carteret.
What
This
is that?
includes the following highways: Interstate
Am I tripping?
295
I'm
in
on
New Jersey
Coke.
between mile markers
Diet
57
Coke,
and
but, you know.
63.
Yeah.
New Jersey Turnpike between exits 8 and 13. Interstate 287 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 3. Interstate 195 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 18. Garden State Parkway between mile markers 115 and 134.
For you looking
Turn
at
around. Don't drown
So now
when
you're broken
encountering flooded
ass.
roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Here is the official National Weather Service forecast for Delaware.
time to record.
National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Burlington County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 12:15 a.m. At 8:29 p.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms produced heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.5 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. Another round of strong thunderstorms with rainfall rates 1 to 2 inches per hour is expected. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Philadelphia, Trenton, Camden, Bensalem, Ewing, Norristown, Chester, Lansdale, West Norton, East Norton, Yadden, and Burlington. This includes the following highways: Interstate 476 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 19. Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 330 and 351. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 1 and 10, and between mile markers 12 and 40. Interstate 676 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 1. Northeast extension between mile markers 21 and 28. Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 329 and 359. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Flash. Until 10:45 p.m. this evening.
Oh my god, it's considerable. Oh no, what will I do? It's not even for me. Oh.
Northwestern Burlington County in southern New Jersey, northwestern Hardin County in southern New Jersey, south central Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 1:15 a.m. At 9:12 p.m., trained weather spotters reported several flooded roadways and 3 to 5 inches of rainfall in the area.
That's why.
Another round of strong thunderstorms with rainfall rates of 1 to 2 inches per hour is expected. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: train spotters reported. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Philadelphia, Camden, Bensalem, Willingboro, Yadden, Burlington, Riverside, Palmyra, National Park, Beverly, Wissanomi, and Tacony. This includes the following highways: Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 42 and 47. Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 340 and 351. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 12 and 37. Interstate 676 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 1. Interstate 676 in New Jersey between mile markers 3 and 4. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.
There's an SVR. Who knows why? I don't. We'll find out. Why?
Camden County in southern New Jersey, northern Burlington County in southern New Jersey, until 10:15 p.m.
Camden and Burlington.
At 9:31 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Audubon Park or over Gloucester City, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Camden, Gloucester City, Cherry Hill, Evesham, Mount Laurel, Willingboro, Medford, Lumberton, Belmore, Burlington, Mount Holly, Riverside, Palmyra, Magnolia, Westville, Bordentown, Presidential Lakes Estates, Brook Lawn, Pemberton, and Audubon Park. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 3 and 7A. Interstate 76 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 3. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 26 and 57. Interstate 600 at 76 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 4.
Thumbnail shot.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:15 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Burlington and Camden,